Today on Mr. Music Man TV.
Good morning, class. Everyone calm down. I hope you guys had a great weekend. We have a guest with us today. It's our new TA, Teacher's Assistant, Songbird. This is Baritone's older sister, and she's going to assist us for the rest of the year. All right, Songbird, do you have anything to say?
Hello, class. I already know most of you. I know Baritone, of course, my little brother. And High Pitch. Hello, High Pitch. Hi, Songbird. Anyway, just wanted you to know that I'm here to help. Okay?
Baritone, your sister is pretty.
Ew, no, she's not. She's my sister.
All right, kids, it's recorder day. Hope you guys have been practicing. I'm going to give you a little refresher course. Remember, the left hand plays the top of the recorder. B, A, G, pinky out for T. All right, High Pitch, since you volunteered for the lead part in our winter concert, we're going to let you go first. Do your thing, man.
Sure.
Oh, no, we're gonna stink.
Okay, all right. I really don't want to ruin y'all's self-esteem and laugh at y'all, but High Pitch, you definitely did not practice. Remember, kids, you want to make sure you practice because you don't want to embarrass yourself. This stuff is going to be on YouTube.
You know what, Songbird? I wish I was an adult. You get to do anything you want.
That's not true, High Pitch. Us adults have responsibilities too. And while you're playing, well, most of the time we're working. So you can sleep, eat, and have fun. Everybody wants to be someone that they're not. But what we don't realize is being you is just the tops. No one else can walk like you. No one else can talk like you. You ought to make your mind up to be grateful for your life. And you and I, we together we will be happy. You and I, just you and I, together we will be happy. You and I, just you and me. So you wanna be SpongeBob and you wanna be Mickey Mouse, and then you wanna be Superman and fly above your house. But Mickey Mouse don't walk like you, and Superman don't talk like you. You know you ought to be grateful 'cause you're special and you're you. You and I, gotta be me. Gotta be happy. You and I, just gotta be me. Hey, gotta be you. You and I, we together we will be happy. Yeah. You and I, just gotta be me.
Songbird, do you really think I'm special?
Why, yes, High Pitch, I do.
We're so different.
You're right. You have blue eyes, and I have brown. You have a square head, and I have a round. I'm just kidding.
That's not funny.
High Pitch, we're all different, and we were meant to be different. That's what makes us special.
Okay.
So,
Be you, I'll be me.
yes,
Be you, I'll be me. Be you, I'll just be me.
so you can even sing.
You be you and I'll be me.
Gotta be me.
Together we will be happy.
Gotta be happy.
You and I'll just
Gotta be me. Gotta be happy. Gotta be me. Yeah. You be you, I'll be me. You be you, I'll be me. You be you, I'll just be me. You made me forget the word, high pitch. You be you, I'll be me. Together we I can't get it right. I'll just be me. High pitch, I love you.
All of Mr. Music Man's footage with groups of children was filmed before the COVID-19 pandemic. Stay safe.
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
All right, now it's time to play a game of Follow the Leader. So all you have to do is follow me. Let's clap our hands. Let's bounce. Just bend your knees and move your hands up and down. All right, back to clapping. Now we're gonna go up and back, forward and back. Good job. All right, let's tap our shoulders. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Tap, tap, down. Good. All right, let's bend our knees and bounce. 1, 2, bounce, bounce. All right, let's add our arms. All right, let's pick up those knees. Up, up. Very good.
Hey, Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our word of the day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to MrMusicManCompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.